Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you want to add decorative interest to your document, you could think about adding a drop cap to the beginning of a chapter or section. A drop cap is a large capital letter that typically has the depth of 2 or more lines of normal text. To insert a drop cap in Word, first select the letter to which to add a drop cap. Then click the Insert tab in the ribbon. In the Text button group, then click the Drop Cap drop-down button. 3 choices and a command then appear in the button's drop-down menu. To add a drop cap that is part of the document, choose the Dropped command from the Drop Cap button's drop-down menu. Alternatively, to add a drop cap that is contained in the document's margin, choose the In Margin command. Alternatively, to remove a selected drop cap from your document, choose the None command from the Drop Cap button's drop-down menu. Alternatively, to see the full options for adding a drop cap, click the Drop Cap button and then choose the Drop Cap Options command to open the Drop Cap dialog box. Here you can choose the position of the drop cap. You can also choose the font for the drop cap from the labeled drop-down. You can use the labeled spinner boxes to set the lines to drop and the distance from text for your drop cap. After making your selections, then click the OK button to insert your drop cap and close the dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.